at your home. Today in this video we're gonna learn about Windows 7 customization. So what is Windows 7? Windows 7 is an operating system software. In this video we will learn some component of Windows 7. Then we will see some practical how to change date, how to change wallpaper and how to set MS Paint drawing as a wallpaper. So let's start.
Previous class we learned about Windows 7 operating system software which help us to work on computer to use other application software. The best thing about Windows 7 is that we can easily interact with our computer through mouse, which makes it one of the most user-friendly operating system. Not just this, but Windows also allow us to modify its setting as per our need, like its appearance, etc. Now we will learn how to customize its setting to meet our requirement. Study about Windows 7. What is Windows 7? Windows 7 is a graphical user interface operating system. That is, it provides graphical component to the users to interact with computer. It provides commands in the shape of menu and other graphical object like icon, using mouse pointer. You can see on the screen this moving cursor is a mouse pointer. We can easily use these objects to complete our task. Because of these graphical component, it is called graphical user interface. So student, what is graphical user interface and how it is correlated with Windows 7? See, these are the graphical user interface. These small picture which help us to understand what exactly the file is a graphical component. Okay, these all are a graphical component. These small pictures also called graphics because these are telling us which are filed this. Right? Suppose this is a recycle bin. By watching it, you can easily recognize it. It will collect all the deleted file. All the deleted documents will directly move to the recycle bin. Okay, and this is the user logo. You can see here at the topmost of the screen, it is a user logo. That means it might be containing some information related to the user. So this way, these all different icons are showing us easily what the file they are, what the information they are containing. Okay, so that is why the Windows 7 is also called graphical user interface, because you can easily recognize here what are the file it contain. Now we will learn different components of Windows 7. Okay, different components. What are the different parts contained by Windows 7? So first is icon. Okay, these all small graphical components are called icon. Next is this, the blue area. These area, it is called desktop. Right? From here to here, the full screen of laptop is called desktop. Next is this one, the start this called start button. Where I am pointing this pointer, it is called start button. And this area from here to here, it is called taskbar. Why it is called taskbar? Because it will show us which file and what work we are doing in our computer. Next is, this is a date time area. Okay, this is the date time area, and this is a notification bar where we will get the notification whatever we have done or what task is completed by our computer. It will be shown here. Now let's learn in detail about the components. First is desktop. This is the screen. You can see here the cursor is moving. This is the screen appears when computer is booted with Windows 7 operating system. When you will turn on your computer, when you will switch on, when you will start your computer, the first screen appear on your computer, that will be called desktop. Right. Next is icon. These are the small graphical object. These are the small graphical object shows various programs, file, folders, etc. The associated programs can be opened by double clicking these icons. That means suppose you want to open your file, you can double click over it and you can easily go to that file. This file, I'll double click over it and this file will open. Okay. Next is shortcuts. What is shortcut? You can see here I have created for showing you shortcut icon. See, I have created of MS Paint. What is shortcut? These objects are linked to the files and folders or program shorted at some other location. These are represented by the icon having a jump arrow to its lower left corner. Like this, suppose I don't know where it is located, where my paint software is located. Okay, somewhere in my computer. So it's very tough, it's difficult to find it out. So first I'll find my file where it is located, then I'll create the shortcut of my file on the desktop screen. So it will help me to find it easily. Next is taskbar. This is the taskbar, right? It contains start button, search bar, and this is the task, and these are the notification bar, date and day. And taskbar, this is the component. It is located at the bottom of the desktop screen by default. We can change the position of the taskbar as well. Our taskbar by default it is located at the bottom of the screen, but we can move either this side or upside. Now start button. Start button, it is a gateway to Windows and the Windows based program that is stored in our computer. When we will click on it, the start menu that help to launch any program, search and setting and etc. This is the start button. When you will click over it, you can see the different files, folder, program which are available in your computer memory can list here. Okay, you can easily open these files from start button as well. Next is start menu. This menu provide options in two different pane. The left pan gives the access. See, again it's the same thing it is talking about. This is the start menu. When you will click over the start button, your screen, the half screen will appears on your desktop. One side will show the files which are presented in your computer, and other side will show the program which can be accessed with the help of internet, right? You how to change the date and time. So very first we'll go at the corner. You can see here date and day. Click over it. You will get one dialog box. Return the date, calendar and the clock. Here you can see the option change date and time setting. Click over it. When you will click over it, you will get one another dialog box like this, where you can change the time and you can change the date as well. When you will click over the change date and time, one dialog box will appear where the date and the time you have to fix according to you. Here you will fix the date and you will set the time. Okay, this way you can set the time and date. Click OK. After clicking OK, then another dialog box will ask is it okay to change, and after clicking OK you can see the date and time has been changed. Now I'll show you how to change the desktop wallpaper. So what is wallpaper? Wallpaper is the background image or picture which appears behind all the object. So to change the background, we will right click first, and there we will get an option of personalize. Click over it, and here we will get background option and some different pictures, and choose your picture and go back to the desktop. This way we can change the desktop wallpaper. Now next we will learn how to use paint drawing as a wallpaper. So very first we will draw MS Paint. We can draw anything. It is not compulsory to use these shapes. We can write a text as well. Okay, so we will save it like a Control S, and we will save it in a desktop. My wallpaper. Okay, I saved it. Now we will go back. Now this is our file. Click over it. Here you will get an option set as a background desktop. Click over it. Now this way we can change our desktop background. Okay. Now our next topic is screensaver. What is a screensaver? A screensaver is an animation or pattern which runs on the monitor screen automatically when the computer system is in idle mode. Idle mode means when you are not performing any task in the computer, that is called idle mode. It helps to save the monitor screen from damage and to increase its life. Now for changing our screensaver, we will right click first and go to the personalize option. So we will go here, type screen saver. Okay, then you can see here I'm getting two options: turn a screensaver on or off, or change screensaver. So both are same, both will lead me to the main page. So I'll click over here, I'll change something, I'll make it to the ribbons. Okay, and let me see the preview means after applying this screensaver how our screen will look. I'll do preview. See, this means after 1 minute, when our desktop will be idle, it will appear this way. Okay, so apply it, and we have already fixed 1 minute as the time. After applying it, click OK and go back to the desktop screen. Just wait for the 1 minute. After 1 minute, you will see screensaver will automatically work.